Hello, I'm Peter from Stage R&D and I'm here to show you the Precision Raceworks coil pack. This is my E92 street race car. You can have a quick squeeze in there. And yeah, today we'll be updating our coil packs to the Precision racing coils here, a kit you can get from Black Market.
Sweet. But bro, have you watched the video yet on how to put them in?
This is a video explaining how to put them in. What do you mean watch a video? This is the video. It's me here, alright? It's a video.
You know what you're doing? You sure you know what you're doing?
Look, like you plug it in, this goes on the thing, you use these, that plugs into that. Piece. Alright, anyway, I'll get onto it. Yeah, I'll show you some steps. Alright, so here we are. So I've taken off the cover, and now the next step is you've got to take off this bit here that's got all these wires and shit just dang on there, alright? So what we're going to need is a 8mm here for this one and this one.
10mm, bro, 10mm. You mean 10?
So like I said, we need an 8mm for this bolt here and this bolt here.
Pretty sure it's a 10, bro.
Oi, where's my 8mm, man? You lost my 8mm again, didn't you? What are you doing, bro? Like,
seriously, man, I haven't touched anything, eh?
well, my 8mm was there, and I was going to use it to go and undo these 8mm. Just to make you happy, look. Just to make you happy, try a 10mm. All right, ready? Look, just proof, all right?
All right.
All right. Yeah, okay. No, because it told me it was an 8mm. I can't. In the instructions over there, it says 8mm. So they've made a mistake. All right. Anyway, cut and I'll show you. All right. So now here we've got the bracket that the blue square things go on. All right. So now what we got to do is simply you just place it. You just. Oh fuck! You put it.
Seriously,
man,
bro.
I can't
You sure you don't want to just watch the video?
Look, I don't need the video, right? Look, it's dark in here. I can't bloody see anything. Like, what are all these wires and shit for? I've got no fucking idea what's going on. Where's that light? Where's my light gone? Oh, say.
Try that, bro.
Oh. Right. Yeah. Look, like, there's a plug here. That's like, this is all like, that's two pieces. There's wires and shit going everywhere.
Bro, seriously. You sure you don't want to just have a squeeze? Just a quick squeeze of the video. Just.
Look, I am not watching a video, okay? Fuck.
You're the man. Yeah. Oh. Where's he gone now?
Yeah. Yes. 10mm, yeah, I know. Even though the instructions said 8mm, whatever.
Hey, bro, where are you for the camera shot, man? What are you doing? Are you watching the video?
No, I was watching some
yeah, right.
Fucking I did that. I tried that. Okay, all right.